Hey y'all, it's Cousin Rosie, and in this video, I'm going to show you how I make my simple turkey lasagna, y'all. So let me just give you a little peek, a little sneaky peeky at the chop board, and I'll let you know what all that stuff is later. I don't even know why I showed you. But anyway, we are at the stove top. I have my pan here. I'm going to drizzle in some olive oil, and then I start adding in my ground turkey. The heat is on medium high. Once the meat is all browned or like that, we're going to start adding in our seasoning salt, some black pepper, as well as some Italian seasoning. So once all that's in there, I'm going to start adding in the veggies that I chopped up, which is onion and carrot. Now don't be looking at me sideways, okay? This is going to come out bomb. So yes, onion and carrot it is, and then we're going to start adding in some crushed tomatoes. As you see, I'm using cans, and we're going to whip it all together till it looks like so. And then I'm going to start adding in some basil, a little bit of some other good stuff. If you want the exact measurements, head over to my blog iHeartRecipes.com. I got you. You can print it out from there for free. So in this bowl, I have some ricotta, some eggs. I just added in the mozzarella cheese that I shredded myself. I prefer to shred my own cheese. And now I'm going to start adding in some more Italian seasoning. We're going to mix everything until it's well combined. And now we're ready to start layering everything. So we made our meat sauce. Off camera, I did make the noodles. So we started off with meat sauce, okay? So a layer of meat sauce. We're going to add some noodles on top of that. Now we're going to add our ricotta mixture. We're going to smooth it out just like so. And now we're going to add some more meat sauce. And you know what? All we're going to do is repeat that, okay? So noodles, okay? Ricotta, meat sauce, okay? So now I have my noodles. I'm just going to add some meat sauce on top. And then I'm going to add some shredded mozzarella. I'm going to put this in the oven. I did cover it, y'all, okay? And once it's done, I'm just going to add some parsley on top, just for looks. If you don't like parsley, you don't have to add it. But you know what, y'all? The lasagna is done. It was just that easy. Now, don't forget, if you want the exact measurements, you're going to head over to iHeartRecipes.com. But first, let me give you another little sneak peek. Look what it looks like inside, y'all. Don't be playing with Cousin Rosie. I told you it was going to be banging. But yeah, y'all. Now, don't forget, my very first published cookbook will be released October 27, 2020. However, you can put in your pre-orders now, so be sure to check out the description box and there will be a link there.